Hey, no, Santee's, man. Santee's Grill is in Phoenix, Arizona, man. It's right off the freeway by Castle Coast, if y'all may know. Don't eat meat bargain Arizona. But here's what we got right now, bro. We got the tenders, man. We got the tenders. We got the fries, the honey mustard, and he got the barbecue wings, man. These barbecue wings do go in. I ain't gonna lie. Look at that shit. And he got the pizza. And he got the ranch, and he got the celery, man. Since all this was like $70, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. The price-wise, you're looking to spend like a good $30, depending on what you get. This was like $20 here altogether, so we're about to try it out. You better go in. Be crispy. I like the little crispy part to it. You know what I mean? The crispy part is like the best part. Damn.
The pizza's fire.
Pizza fire?
Yeah.
So,
I'd say like an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? You want a slice?
No.
You want one?
You want one?
Yeah, I want one. Just for the video. Shit. Small piece of butter. Probably good. Let's see. Pizza fire. Pizza's hella fire. Better than the place we had before. That shit fire, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Damn. Damn, Santee's, bro.
What about the tenders?
Tenders like good. They made it good this time. I ain't gonna lie.
Really?
Yeah, they made it good. I ain't gonna lie. Like tenders, I give it like a 9 out of 10. I ain't gonna lie. Pizza, like 8 out of 10. Yeah, like, it's 8 out of 10. They could have done a little better with the pizza. I don't know, but the tenders are bomb for sure, man. Make sure you come to Santee's, man. I'm telling you, bro. This is where it's at. This is the best spot. In my opinion, it's the best spot to eat in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm not gonna lie.
It's the best like sport bar.
Yeah, best sport bar. Yeah, best sport bar. I'll try this one. A little barbecue in. I dip in some sauce. Fuck it. See how it tastes. This is good. I'll say not 8 out of 10. 8.5 out of 10. Wings are crispy too. Man, the wings are good. It scores a 9.5 out of 10 altogether. I'm not gonna lie. Everything together, 9.5 out of 10.
I'll give like a 7.
7? True.
Something.